Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to do a quick little review on this awesome drywall screw setter. You can find this awesome cheap adapter under $1 at Home Depot. If you want to check out some other drywall screw setters that I highly recommend, then just check out the link in the description below. So here's what the drywall screw setter looks like. All you have to do is just attach it to an impact wrench, or you can even use a conventional drill. But this thing basically prevents you from going too far into your drywall so you won't over penetrate. Here's one that I already did. You can see how it creates a nice little dimple, so whenever you start to use your mud or your plaster, you can basically cover up that little hole where the screw's at. This is a drywall screw that I'm going to try to over tighten, and you're going to see how it prevents it from going too far deep. In this photo, I just wanted to give you an example of what it looks like when you use this drywall screw setter on the left, which is existing texture on the ceiling, and to the right is your drywall that doesn't have any texture on it. It creates a nice little dimple, just enough to hide the screw. There are other options out there, like this cool little setup right here. It's really nice, but in my opinion, over the years I've been doing a lot of different repairs, and these tend not to last as long because there's a lot more mechanisms and mechanical parts moving around. So I highly recommend you just go with this setup right here. It's very cheap and it gets the job done. So here was my situation. I had a little leak above the ceiling and I was trying to figure out what was going on. So I had to cut it out, figure out what was going on, and replace part of it with a access panel and part of it with new drywall. So basically I just added that access panel in there just in case the leak comes back again, or I can just go in there and have access to check out what's going on. So but it was really easy. Just had to texture it, sand everything down nicely, and then I knocked it down with a 12-inch knife, matched the paint with some Behr marquee paint, put 2 coats on it, and called it a day. Came out pretty nice. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video, and as always, thank you all for watching. To all my amazing viewers out there, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can stay tuned for the newest content that I upload.